Well, hello there. Thanks for joining me. So today we are going to do a little bit of cleaning. Right now we are cleaning the kitchen. I had to get these dishes under some kind of control. And you love my little story time. So I have a little story time for you. I was watching a video and I don't know if it was a joke or if it was real life, but it was this girl. She was getting ready to cook dinner or breakfast or something. And the guy comes in and he's like, "Why you didn't clean this kitchen? I'm not eating in the kitchen. It's dirty. What? You're wasting your time." Da 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 da. He's like going in on her. Okay, so the kitchen's not really messy. Like she got the stuff out, whatever she's cooking for dinner. And then she had like some grocery shopping bags on the top. Because it like she just came back from the grocery store. And she just took the stuff out and she started preparing dinner. So it wasn't all the way clean. My question is for you guys, do you guys think that men should help cook and clean in your household if they're living there? Because he was like having this whole fit and attitude. And I was reading the comments and some of the people in the comments was like, well, hey, if you worried about her, she trying to get this, your dinner cooked. Some of the girls was like, I would have left him cooking. He would have to cook by himself. Or stuff like that. Or someone's like, well, why can't you just help her cook dinner? Or help you clean up while she's cooking? So what do you guys think? Should guys help you cook and clean? So for me and my household, we had this agreement before we first got married 25 years ago, okay? So I told my husband, if I'm working outside of the house, you're going to help me clean and cook as well. So that's been our arrangement that we have been doing. He does clean. He doesn't do it as much as he used to, but he's very good at it. Like I said before, he's very good at cleaning the bathroom. He doesn't cook a whole lot, but you guys have seen him cook on here a little bit. He don't like to be on the camera, so I'll be sneaking to show him. But yeah, poor Avery. I don't know what was going on with her. It looked like she was having a nightmare. Hey, but yeah, so back to the story. Yeah, so I mean, it worked for us. I guess some ladies like to cook. If you're a stay-at-home mom, that's different. But I do know some stay-at-home moms who husbands, they go out and work all day and they still come in and help them clean and cook or whatever. Because sometimes you still need a break. Being a stay-at-home mom don't mean that you don't work because you're just working at home. It's still a job. Trust me. But you guys come in and let me know what you think. What do you think about that? Should guys help cook and clean? Or should it just be, if you're staying at home, just the woman's job or whatever? Y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm going to be quiet and y'all finish watching cleaning, okay? We're going to talk later. Hey guys, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. If you're new here, welcome. My name is LaQuinta and this is the Sweet Life of Queen. Today guys, we have been cleaning all day. So I decided to do a reset for today. Right now, I'm not going to cook. I'm getting ready to go out. My son just called and he was like, Mom, let's go out. So you think I'm going to turn that down? And we're going to my favorite place. We're going to the grill at Fritz Poorhouse. So I'm going to freshen up and change this because now I'm getting hot and sweaty. So yeah, I'm going to bring you guys along with me. You guys, today has been like a very chill, relaxed, peaceful day. It's kind of gloomy outside and it's been raining. So yeah, it stopped raining though, but it's still like gloomy. But anyway, that's springtime here in Illinois. What's the weather like where you guys are? Anyway, let me go and get dressed, and we probably won't go out till later on though. But I just want to relax and chill because now my back is hurting, baby, because I've been moving all morning. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying my recess. A lot of you guys have been saying you've been enjoying it, so I'm so glad. That makes me happy. Avery was having like a little nightmare or something. I don't know what was wrong with her, but now she's better. So yeah. So anyway, let's get going. Y'all, it is raining like cats and dogs. So anyway, guys, we had so much fun at dinner. So what happened was, it was so funny. So, we went to the grill at Fritz Poorhouse. You guys should have known Jay had a taste for some wings. I'm like, boy, we literally just came here the other day, but he wanted to come back, so whatever. So we went to go get some wings, and it was so packed in there. So Sally and Stacy was in there, and so Miguel was like, "Are you by yourself?" And I'm like, "No, just me and my son." He's like, "Do you mind sharing a table with somebody?" And I'm like, "Who?" I'm like, "I don't care, but who?" you know. So it was Sally and Stacy. We have not hung out in a while because I just been busy. They've been busy. And so then we end up sitting together. We was having so much fun. And then Matt came. Yeah, it was hilarious. Like, all of us have not seen each other for a long time. And so Matt came over and started talking to us, and he's like, "You want to join us?" So he ended up joining us too. Yo, it was so fun. And so then it was another chair. So Miguel was like, "Well, hey, I'm gonna sit down too." I love him. He is so awesome. So we had such a good time at dinner tonight. I just got the fried chicken. I wanted the catfish, and then Matt got the catfish. I'm like, oh, I knew I shouldn't have got it. But anyway, yeah, I just kind of wanted to close out this video because I don't even know what all we did. I know we cleaned and stuff on it, but I don't want it to be too long. Don't want to bore you guys. But I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, please. Comment down below to let me know. Yeah, and then I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm gonna have a surprise video coming up soon. Something that I didn't want to do, but because a lot of you guys requested it, I'm going to do it. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great night. I love you guys, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.